Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OnePlus Pad Lite, and let me share with you how to check for the software updates on this device. So first of all, make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required, and then let's open the settings. Here, let's scroll down to the very bottom, and we've got two different ways to check for the updates. You can either tap on About Device and tap on this toggle OnePlus Pad Lite, and your device will transfer you to the software update, or let me go back. You can go to System and Update and tap on Software Update. It's totally up to you. As you can see, this is the same page, the same section. So basically, your device will check for the updates. We had this information here. So it's checking for the updates, and basically you can meet two different scenarios. This is the first one where your software is up to date and there's nothing to download, and the second one is where your device will actually find the update. It will show you the information about it, what has been fixed, what has been added, and then you will be able to tap on download or install and apply the update. However, I highly recommend to tap on the three dots icon and tap on auto update, and make sure that you've got it turned on so your device will automatically notify you about the update and apply it also after you will confirm. Alright, so and that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.